Today, we'll see how Mendel derived the second law of genetics and why he is said to be as the father of genetics, modern genetics, I should say. We have already discussed the law of segregation in which he crossed two contrasting characters, tall plants and dwarf plants. Okay, he also crossed the flat and wrinkled pods. He also crossed the yellow and green pods. He also crossed the round and wrinkled seeds, and uh, he crossed the wrinkled and round green and yellow seeds, so and so many characters he kept on studying during his hobby, and I should say the genetical hobby or a research based hobby. Okay, well, in this experiment he tried to know either the characters or the traits found in the Pisum sativum are the pea plants, they were linked together or not. Okay, so he did choose the seeds uh, having two characters. One is what the shape of seed, okay, wrinkled, and the second color. Here the shape of seed was round, okay, round, and the color was yellow. You have to believe that this is what the yellow color. Okay, as you believe that David is your father or Muhammad Tufal is your father. Your mother says that he is your father. You say okay. Okay, so now you have just to believe that this is what the yellow color. Okay, uh, mm, I know that it is not yellow, but now you have to. So this was there was yellow color, okay, color of seed, and the shape of seed. Okay, there were two pairs of characters. They were crossed together, and what happened? The procedure was that he grew he grew this plant and this plant, and then he took the gametes from the plant which was grown from the wrinkled green seed and round yellow seed, and these gametes they were crossed, and then the 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 plant grew. Okay, and what happened? The pod was formed, and from the pod all the seeds which were obtained, they were round yellow. Okay, this was according to his terminology or Mendel's terminology, what dihybrid. You have stated the hybrid when when two contrasting characters they are crossed. Okay, a pair is formed, and that is known as monohybrid. When two pairs of contrasting characters they are crossed together, that hybrid is known as what? Dihybrid. So dihybrid was obtained, which was showing that the and yellow round and yellow, these two characters, they dominated the wrinkled shape and green color. Okay, now he kept on growing these seeds in the next generation, and he self-crossed. What happened? The seeds which were obtained, they were yellow, round yellow, and wrinkled yellow, and round green and wrinkled green. If there were, he concluded that if there were any sort of the linkage between the color and shape of the seeds, then in the F2 generation, this is what this is F2 generation. Okay, in F2 generation, he found that the color and the shape of the seeds, they were not linked, they assorted independently. Okay, here you see the round color, the round shape was there, and the yellow color, they paired, and then the wrinkled shape and the yellow color, they were paired, and what the round shape and the green color, they paired. So the conclusion was that there was no more linkage, and he also found that he counted. I told you people in the last lecture that Mendel was not only a priest, rather he was a statistician as well. Okay, on the basis of statistics, he concluded that the ratio which was obtained on the basis of the number of these seeds was 9:3:3:1. Okay, 9:3:3:1 ratio was obtained, and he once for all declared that there was no more linkage between these characters. One. Second, the assortment was independent. Okay, how he concluded? Let's see his interpretation. He interpreted that the round seeds, round yellow seeds, they were controlled by two pairs of alleles, and they should be what? Capital R, and capital Y. And he supposed that these two characters, these two traits, they were controlled by small r smaller and small y elementons. Okay, according to him, he used to call these things what are genes as elementons. Now he said this is what genotype, this one and this one, and these two are what the phenotypes. Okay, the external features of an individual regarding certain character, those are known as what they form what the phenotype of the individual, and the genetic makeup of an individual is known as what? It's a genotype. Well, he said that half of the elementons, half of the alleles were transmitted into what? The gametes. These are what? Gametes. And half came from here. As they were crossed, the situation was like this: capital R small r, capital Y small y. Okay. Now he followed this was what? Round yellow. Okay, it was round yellow. I told you people it should be like this. Okay, round yellow. Now he crossed the round yellow seeds with the round yellow seed, meaning he grew the plants. And what happened after growing growing the plant from these seeds? He found four types of the seeds, And what was the interpretation from the uh, from F1 to F2 generation was like this. Was like this. Listen. He said that in F2 generation, the gametes should have been formed like this. Capital R, capital R, capital Y. Suppose this is the female side, okay, of the gametes, and this is the male side of the gametes, okay, capital R, capital Y. And then capital R, small y, and small r, capital Y, small r, small y. And same should be here on this side, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. And he constructed this table like this. Now you see, you would guide me like this: capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, and what? Capital R, sorry, capital R, small r, and capital Y, capital Y. Okay. Here again, capital R and small r, capital Y, small y. Here, capital R, and capital Y, small y. Capital R, small y, and capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, and small y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, and capital Y. Okay. And here again, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. And small r, capital Y, capital Y. Okay. And here, small r, capital Y, small y. Here, capital R, small r, and what? Capital Y, small y. Okay. Here, capital R, small y, small y. Okay. And here, small r, capital Y, small y. Small r, small y, small y. Okay. Now you see, this should be what? Round yellow. Again, round yellow. This is round yellow. This should be what? This is again round yellow. Okay. This should be what? Round green. Round green. This should be what? Again, round green. And let's find another one. Round green. This one. Round green. And here is again round yellow, and this is what? Round yellow. So let's count. This is what? Wrinkled green seed. Okay. Wrinkled green seed. And this is, you see, what? Wrinkled yellow. Which one? This one. Wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled yellow. Now you can count these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Round yellow, wrinkled, sorry, round, yellow, sorry, yellow and wrinkled, and round green and wrinkled green. Okay, so they were in how they were in the ratio 9:3:3:1 ratio. Okay, he concluded what, as I have told you earlier, that the characters, these characters are these traits, they are no more linked together. They can assort independent of each other. Okay, if you have learned this something in a big way, if you have comprehended, then it's your duty to share it, share all these things to your friends. Thank you very much.